All right, so we might be wondering, how do we make a Gantt chart now that we know all the basics? Great question. So let's start with the simple flow chart. You're going to make a list of all your tasks, and you're going to start at the end and work your way backwards, just as we said before. Then you're going to order the tasks in order. You're going to just do the reverse. You're going to put them from start to finish, beginning to end. And then you estimate all the task durations, how long is it going to take per task, and then you determine which tasks are interdependent and which ones can be done in parallel. And then finally, you go ahead and you create your Gantt chart using some software. Pick your favorite software. For my case, I chose Gantt Project, and we'll look at a peanut butter jelly example in a later video. So here are some essential questions that your Gantt chart needs to answer, no matter what kind of software you use. So first, you need to show what's the critical path. Whatever software you show, make that really obvious and how that works. Another question to answer is, are we on schedule? Use that today line that we talked about before. And so if you're on schedule, yes, good. Now, can we maintain or increase momentum, right? So we want to stay on schedule or go faster if possible. But sometimes you're not on schedule, so then you have to come up with a plan. How do we get back on schedule to finish our project on time? Or we're going to end up having to consume some buffer time, which is the next key question. How much buffer time is left? So those are the three main questions all your Gantt charts need to answer. All right, and that's the long story short. Thank you for listening. Now we're going to go ahead and do an example of how do you make a Gantt chart.